Before installation, the car should be washed and dry. Prepare the spoiler. All spoiler mounting hardware, screws, nuts, and necessary tools. Place the mounting hole drilling templates on the trunk lid. Stick them to the trunk lid so they don't move. Carefully check the distances between the drilling points marked on the templates. According to the markings on the templates, drill the mounting holes in the trunk lid. Then, secure the area around the holes. Measure the exact length of the mounting holes from the inside of the trunk lid, opposite the mounting holes. Mark the mounting hole locations. Then mark the space around the markings so that the edge of the marking is 2 centimeters from the marked holes. Cut the marked section of sheet metal on the inside of the trunk lid. Then, apply anti-corrosion varnish to the edges of the cutout. Place the spoiler mounting gasket on the top of the trunk lid, over the mounting holes, and check the size and accuracy of the drilled holes. Enlarge or slightly adjust the hole locations if necessary. Next, glue the spoiler mounting gasket to the spoiler. Place the spoiler mounting bracket on the trunk lid and use 1 screw and washer to secure the bracket. Apply anti-rotation adhesive to the threads of the mounting bolt on the spoiler. Then, place the spoiler on the spoiler mounts and use a nut to lightly tighten the spoiler to the mounts. Apply anti-rotation adhesive to the threads of the mounting bolts. Tighten them to the spoiler mounts with a torque of 10 Newton meters. Then, tighten the nuts, securing the spoiler to the spoiler mounts with a torque of 12 Newton meters.